The start of the new school year brings new opportunities, new beginnings, and hope. We know this will be a great year for Team BCPS because of our relentless commitment to improve outcomes for all students. We are ready to engage, empower, and excel. The urgent work in front of us is going to take all members of Team BCPS to make the difference that we want to see in our school system. Our administrators, teachers, and support staff are working diligently to prepare all Team BCPS students to thrive now and in the future and address their academic and social-emotional needs.
When I think about engage, how do we ignite the enthusiasm, the fire within our students? How do we get them to invest in their own learning? And what do we do to support that once that flame is ignited? Empower. How do we keep it going? How do we keep them motivated and make them recognize that the sky is truly the limit and that they are capable of doing just about anything that they put their mind to? Excel. How do we help them take accountability for their own learning and their own empowerment so that they can then be able to foster all of that motivation that they need on their own once they are ready to move on beyond the schoolhouse?
An empowered principal can lead, can excel. An empowered principal knows what they need to do and feels the power and authority to make those decisions and do those things. They can inspire their staff. They know that they have the full force and power of the community and the school system behind them.
So I'm extremely excited about the 23-24 school year. It has been a wonderful summer since Dr. Yarbrough took over on July 1st. She has met with the public, met with politicians, met with her staff, met with principals, and the excitement and the hope that she is generating and that we've heard from the community and from our staff has just really made me so excited for the future of BCPS and for the upcoming school year. We welcomed 750 plus teachers to our system yesterday and the day before. Their excitement, their passion is also something that we need to really savor and relish as we move into the school years.
I feel like the 2023-2024 school year is about new beginnings. I am more than hopeful. I am excited about the work that I know Dr. Yarbrough is going to do, how she's going to lead Baltimore County Public Schools into a more healthy culture, into higher academic achievement, into improved morale for our staff and our families.
I can't wait to see the students of Carver Center and the students everywhere in BCPS back in the buildings, going to class, learning, participating, discussing, growing, all that good stuff. I think the kids are really what lights up every teacher.
I'm very excited to just see us make some big strides in educational academic success for our kids. My hopes for Team BCPS are for Dr. Yarbrough to continue what she's been doing so far as we move to close the achievement gap for many of our students, as we look forward to the future and just building upon what we already have. I think we have a great program here in BCPS. And it's going to be exciting to see what the new team that she's put together is able to do this year. I'm looking forward to it.
Team BCPS partners stand ready to work alongside our students and the system to provide positive experiences, support, and encouragement for students.
If Team BCPS, including students, teachers, leaders, and community partners, come together for authentic solutions and communication and collaboration, there's no telling what everyone can do together. Students will be able to reach their goals, they'll be able to achieve in the community and really feel like they're successful in this world and find a team around them that supports them and is pulling for them and wants the best for them. And in that kind of community, students will achieve great things.
My message to the students is don't give up, don't give up. Keep going, keep at it, it's worth it. Hard work does pay off. Believe me, it does.
Team BCPS students are excited for the new school year and are eager to share their vision, hopes, and expectations. They are courageously advocating for their needs and the needs of their peers and trust that we will do whatever it takes to help them succeed.
Letting students that they got this, they have support, they have backup, letting them know that they're not alone in this, because high school especially can be a very tricky time depending on what grade you're in. And I feel as though knowing that you have a solid support system through your faculty, through the counselors, through your administration is very important in letting students know that they have people to turn to. It makes everyone feel more comfortable in their experience here. And in addition to that, I feel as though just in students in general, just as a student body, growing together, learning together, and like I said before, amplifying each other's voices really aids to helping us create a better community in general.
Make students independent. The more independent students are, the more they're going to excel academically, the more they're going to find their place academically and figure out where they can do well and find supports when they're not doing well, and the better they're going to do socially.
Together, we will remove barriers to student success, accelerate academic achievement, nurture good citizens who are socially and emotionally well, build high-performing school and central office teams, and shape the future of BCPS.